Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am wearing a sports bra because I did not feel like putting anything on, and this was the closest thing to me being active today, so don't judge me. So for today's video, I'm gonna do this really nice kind of fall. We're getting into fall. I know it's still summer, but you know, we're getting into fall, and I've been like super inspired by some people that I call like Atlanta. You know, it's kind of like cat eye, but like very natural on the inner part of the eye. So I thought of doing a tutorial today, kind of just like lay back on the reviews, because I know that I've been going crazy about reviews for the last probably 5 videos on my channel, so I wanted to take a step back and give you guys a nice tutorial, quick and easy, hopefully. So if you wanna see me do this and what you saw in the thumbnail, then just keep watching. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using, for the transition shades, I'm gonna be using the Decay Born to Run palette. I love this palette. I love it. I love how it looks, and I haven't touched it in a while, I think. So if you have kind of like, I'm gonna go with the browns and neutral colors. So if you have something of the sorts, that works as well. So I'm gonna start by using my MAC 217. Wow, that's faded. And I'm gonna actually go into the shade Riff, which is this kind of nice transition shade, nothing out of the ordinary. I'm just gonna use this to carve my actual crease. Like, I want it to be very defined. It's gonna be very centered around the lid rather than the whole eye, because I want it to be like kind of natural in the inner corner, but very defined on the outer corner. So just follow through. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go into the shade Good As Gone to keep deepening the crease as well, and kind of like the building up slowly the cat eye effect at the end. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take actually a very tiny brush. Now to finally deepen my outer corner, I'm just gonna take the shade Jet, which is a deep black, and I'm just gonna blend that as well, just like Good As Gone. Okay, so I actually changed into the Anastasia Soft Glam because the black was not working for me. It was too light and it wasn't actually getting into the pigmentation that I wanted. So I'm gonna go into the shade Noir. I'm actually gonna do the cat eye with this. So this is what everything blended out looks like. I know that it didn't ended up being like super cat-eye, but as I was doing it, I actually liked the black more diffused, but like graphic, but more diffused rather than a line. I just felt like it looks much more natural and kind of like, I don't know, like more smooth if I could say so. I'm gonna leave it at that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take the e.l.f. liquid glitter, I think it's called. It's in the shade Disco Queen, which is a really cool gray metallic glitter that has a bunch of other colors such as pink, blue, purple, gold, you name it. And I'm actually gonna pat this all over my eyelid, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so as you can see, I already did my whole face, and I did the under eye situation because it was more of the same. It was the same thing. I built up the black, I blended it out, and I blended it out with the brown, which is good as gone. And I'm gonna actually line my waterline. I didn't find my black liner. I don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna, oh, it's actually here. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eyes with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is a true gem, it's $3. And I'm gonna line my waterline, my lower waterline. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I'm using the shade Caramelize by Bite Beauty. It's just with this lipstick, I just give the welcome to fall. This is just the right combination for a fall look. Like, you know, the gray, the smokiness, the nude lipstick. I just feel like it's the right combination to welcome fall. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I was planning on doing more of a cat eye, but it didn't work out that way. Just like sometimes it happens in life. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. Are you guys already going into fall, or are you guys kind of like sticking into summer? Either way, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll